Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. This is Junoy with Trading the Charts Pro, and this is one more session of Market Outlook. In Market Outlook, we actually analyze the market based on technical analysis as well as our experience to anticipate where we think the market can go in the week ahead. All right, so let's jump right into the chart and see what the charts are telling us, as well as the overall market in terms of where we can actually go from here. Guys, the market has just been on fire, and right now, we can see that boom, we are right back above the top. So resistance here, we broke out on this one day. We actually, Fed came out, had a quick conversation, the market fell down, broke the 8-period moving average. It actually broke the uptrending line right here, but we can see that the market was quickly bought back up. So what that actually tells us is that it seems like it doesn't matter where or any little pullback we get, the market is still getting bought up back, meaning that there's still a lot of buyers out there. There's still a lot of people anticipating that this market can still run higher. As I do feel like, yes, we can actually run higher, but we've been running so high so long. Any little sign that I see that looks like something that I don't like, I'm gonna be very cautious, guys. Right now, just where we close on Friday has me just a little bit cautious. So we can end up moving sideways just a little bit, or guys, we can pull back. We can just pull back, out of the blues, because we have just been running up so high. And now I'm a bit more bullish than I was before, because when I look at everything, we have recovered so nicely, right? And we haven't got the vaccine. Now, I'm thinking, if we hear that, we have a vaccine, wouldn't that probably propel this market to run higher? I don't know. We will have to see. But right now, all I can say is that, guys, we're still looking healthy. I want to be cautious that this, is not a double top right here and we get a pullback. Any pullback, we have to be very cautious. So let's get a little bit more deeper into that and see exactly what am I talking about. So here I have a hourly chart, of the ES futures, and we can see this was last week. We run up, we made the resistance, we pulled back, we found a support. This was very violent, guys, and we can see we got bought up, pulled back, and then we run higher. We actually failed to come test this high this last time, but we pulled back all the way down. But what was important was we held a higher low right around here, and we recovered. So on Friday, as soon as I got in, I saw that, hey, we're recovering. I jump in right here and I got out right here, but my target was still for us to come and retest up this way, which we did. But I got my profits right around here, so that was still good. But it was very nice to see that after some fight right around here, the market eventually broke out and run back up. But you can see that we run up. Yes, we actually touched a higher high, which was very nice to see, but we weren't able to hold. So it's going to be interesting. Right now, we're falling down. So when the market opens back up, we're looking to slide down back a little bit, and I'm going to see if we can actually hold higher in terms of a low again, and then try to recover and continue moving higher. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm very cautious with the ES, just because we've been running along so nicely. We can get a pullback at any time, so just be cautious on that. Now let's jump on over to the S&P 500, not the S&P, the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Guys, I still like the Dow Jones, because when I look at everything, I still feel like we have some room to run, and I still like this right here. So if we're able to break out of this, setup right here, we will run back up to the all-time high, because the overall market is still very, very bullish. If we come over, look at the S&P 500, it's the same story, guys. We broke out, we made a new high. You know, we can see right here, this looks like a bullish setup. We can actually pop out of here and, you know, run higher. But again, we don't want to be chasers. We just want to find low risk entries that, you know, will provide a pretty good reward in comparison to the risk that we're taking to be in that trade. And for that reason, that's why I like the Dow Jones more than anything right now. There are a lot of stocks in the Dow Jones, well, a few, that hasn't run up like the overall market, and that's where I am still playing right now. If we look at tech, guys, tech is just been a beast. Yes, tech is gonna continue to be a beast as long as we're in this COVID-19 situation, because these companies are the ones that are really keeping us afloat, the entire economy afloat, you know, with the phenomenal services that they offer. For example, the Zoom, you know, the Facebook of the world, the Amazon, Tesla too. Tesla been on fire. So all I can say is that whenever we get a pullback on places like these, I would, you know, take a nice trade on those. But right now, you know, they're just running high, too high personally for my risk level. So I'm really looking and anticipating for a pullback to get back in on some of these trades. All right. So again, I'm really in love with the Dow Jones, just because we still have a couple more points, roughly 100 and probably 1,500-600 points still to go. So that's where I'm still playing right now, guys. So if you like this video, you like the market outlook, just hit it with a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you with my next live video, with my next market outlook. So subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I'll see you in my next video.